वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल लर्न विद विंसी। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप सो यू आर डूइंग ग्रेट एंड आई एम ऑल्सो फाइन हियर. So, in my previous class, I was doing direct and indirect speech, to which I had done the first part of it. Now, as I told you, there will be many parts of it. So, part 1 I had completed. Now, tense is directly linked with the direct and indirect speech. Now, if your child has been asked any question from the direct speech, your child has to know that tense is very important. You might find in the question that कि कोई tense present progressive में है, present perfect में है, and you have to convert that into something else. So if you don't know tense, I've already made videos on that. So please, I'll leave the link down below. Please, it's a request. Do watch the video. Otherwise, आप ये देखने आएंगे कि डायरेक्ट इंडायरेक्ट स्पीच होता है क्या है, आपको टेंस नहीं पता और आप बोलेंगे विंसी ने बताया नहीं. But I'm telling you, please go and watch my previous videos and tense. So, if you haven't watched the first part of this video, the direct indirect speech, please do watch it before watching this video. Now, in my first class, I had started direct and indirect speech. Okay. So now, I already told you what are those. Direct speech means when we use the exact words of the speakers. So हम लोग exact words use करते हैं. Indirect speech basically means when we are not using the exact words. Now, what is the first change which comes? The present tense converts into the past tense. This is what we had done in the previous class or the last class. Now, the second rule, rule 2 says, Rule 2 क्या बोलता है? Rule 2 says simply that if a sentence given in direct speech is in the present progressive tense, it will get converted into past progressive tense. ठीक है ना? So, present progressive tense changes to past progressive tense. Okay, the present progressive tense is also known as the present continuous tense. So अगर कोई sentence in the direct speech is given in the present progressive tense, it will get converted into the past progressive tense. Let's show you one example. Rahul said, comma with one commas, I am not going to college. Okay, I am not going to college. Now, what is this part known as and what is this part known as? We have to make sure that this is known as the reported verb. This portion is known as the reported verb, whereas this portion is simply known as the reported speech. Reported speech. Now, this is clear to you, I hope so. Now, what is the treatment? As I told you, the first thing which your child has to do, so करना क्या पड़ेगा? आपका बच्चा को करना क्या पड़ेगा? First thing, he has to see that what is written in the reported speech. What is written in the reported speech? Now, उसको he or she has to catch whether this speech is in which tense, present tense, past tense, future tense, which type of tense does this sentence belongs to. Now, with the help of this concept of mine, anything with ing ending with ing, it's a continuous tense, and you see that am is written. The am belongs to a present tense family and ing belongs to a continuous tense family. So if you mix them up, or if you join them, it will become present continuous tense. So this sentence belongs to a present continuous tense family. मैंने क्या बताया था? I had already told you that the present progressive tense will changes to past progressive. So what is the simple solution to it? That Rahul said. Now, comma will be replaced by a connector. So you know the connector which is known as that. Rahul said that he, I will become he, change of pronoun also takes place. I will become he, am will become to past, so it becomes was not going to college. Full stop. That is known as the connector. The connector simply means that it joins this portion, the reported verb, with the reported speech in your own words. No rocket science. It's very simple to understand कि भैया present progressive में दिया हुआ है तो past progressive में बदल जाएगा. Past में am नहीं आता है, the first change will be out here. Am will become was. Going progressive remains the same for present and the past. So going will remain going. It's a negative sentence. So not will also be there. So Rahul said that he was not going to college. This was the example of the present progressive tense which will change into the past progressive tense in the indirect speech. Sweet and clear? No rocket science. सब कुछ मैंने बता दिया है. Let's go to one more example. Please copy this. Please, it's a request because I am making videos for you all benefit. So please copy this. Now, this was example number 1, my dear. Example number 2. For my example number 2, you can take a test for yourself and I'll write the question. You may pause the video and again, before looking at my answer, you may write down the answer in your copy and check that whether your answer is correct or not. Clear? Okay. Mohan said. What did he say? He is writing. He is waiting for someone. He is waiting for someone. Okay, now Mohan said he is waiting for someone. Now, again, first part, see which tense does the sentence belong to. Okay, now. So now is out here. Now is belongs to a present tense family. Now ing obviously is continuous, so obviously this part is in present continuous tense. Now pause the video out here and you will see, you will answer the question first. Okay, answer the question first and then come play the video. So simple answer to this will be Mohan said. Now comma will be replaced by a connector, that is known as that. He will remain the same. He is will change into was. It will not change into were because he is only one person. So he was. Again, waiting will remain the same because whether it is a present progressive or a past progressive, वो change नहीं होता है, वो वैसा का वैसा ही रहता है. So Mohan said that he was waiting for someone. Clear? I hope so. With these two examples, the concept is clear, and I hope so. When you have come back, if you have paused the video, I hope so you have paused the video. When you saw the answer, it will be matching with my answer. Okay. Now, rule number 2 ends out here. Now we go on to rule number 3. Okay. So what is rule number 3? Rule 3 is simple, that we have done present, simple present to simple past, present progressive to past progressive. Now we are coming up to present perfect. Now the present perfect will change into what? If the sentence in the direct speech is in the present perfect tense, it changes into what? It changes into past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Simple. Now for you all who don't know what is a perfect tense, please go back to my previous videos. I've already done all these things, but yet again I will revise with you what is the perfect tense. Uska helping verb kya hota hai basically. In the perfect tense, has and have are being used for the present perfect tense, and the action will end with the third form of the verb or ed. Whereas in past perfect tense, what basically happens is that has and have will turn into had. For the past the had badal jata hai, and for the perfect part, the action will end with the third form of the verb or with the ed format. Simple and sweet. I have explained you this also. फिर आपने बोलेंगे कि विंसी ने सिखाया नहीं perfect tense क्या होता है, and he is just teaching. He knows nothing, but I have already taught you. Now, with the help of one or two examples, I will make it clear to you all. Okay? So, what is the example? It says, I have found a key. Found a key, he said. Okay, now the school teachers will make it a little difficult for you by changing the format of the question. Now, in my previous examples, this part, the reported verb, was in the beginning and the reported speech was followed thereafter. But over here, what do we see? Things have changed around. We see the reported speech is in the first part of the sentence and the reported verb is at the last. अब क्या करेंगे? बस, teachers will not teach you. Teachers will teach you this. Don't blame the teachers are not teaching. Teachers are doing everything. You just have to concentrate and understand. I am also teaching this concept and every school teacher will help you out with this question. What is the solution? कुछ घबराने का बात बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. This part, if it is at the last in the direct speech, it will come in the front of the sentence, at the first part of the sentence when you convert into indirect speech. इसमें कोई घबराने का बात नहीं है. Your answer will be wrong if you frame it from this way only. And he said will be at the end. Your answer will be totally wrong. It won't be correct. So while converting it into an indirect speech, he said will be in the front with the connector and followed by the reported speech in your own word. Okay. So करता हूँ solve. Now first of all, again asks which tense is the reported speech is in. The reported speech, see the first part, have. Now have is a helping verb for the perfect tense, present perfect. Okay now, and found. Okay, now I have found a key. So you got now that this sentence belongs to a present tense family, present perfect tense family, not present tense family, present perfect tense. Now, अब इसका solution कैसे निकालेंगे? Let's see. Come. It will be he said. Now, comma will be replaced by a connector known as that. That he had found a key. That he had found a key. He said that he had found a key. Simple and sweet. एकदम logical है. Perfect tense क्या happening with the have? When it becomes to indirect tense, indirect speech, it will come to had. It becomes had. He said that he had found a key. Okay. So now with one more example, I will finish this topic of the present perfect tense. And please again, I'll write the question, you pause the video and thereafter again start writing the answer. John said what? He has won a prize. John said he has won a prize. Now again ask your child which tense is the reported speech in. He'll see has. समझ में आ जाएगा. It is in present perfect tense. Now he knows that it is in present perfect tense. तो वो past perfect tense में convert हो जाएगा. Simple and sweet. So the answer is simple. John said that the connector will come. He had won a prize. Simple. He had won a prize. John said that he had won a prize. Simple and sweet. So rule 1 was today's rule 1 was present continuous tense will change into past continuous tense. And the second rule was the present perfect tense will change into the past perfect tense. Okay, now there's one more part of the family which I will be doing in the next class because I don't want to make the video so long so that you'll get bored. To the point topic, slowly and steadily we move forward with the diagonalized speech, and I will surely increase my speed of recording the videos and putting up for you all. I was a little bit busy with my students' examinations. Now those are already over, so I can now concentrate once again. So thank you guys for watching my video and taking out time, and thanks to those who are subscribed to my channel. Please and please and please, if you're watching my video for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Meet you very soon. Bye bye and take care.